Hello my people, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I twist kinky extensions on dreadlocks. If you want your locks to look fuller, longer, or you just want to switch things up, this tutorial is for you. Grab your comb, your kinky extension, and let's go to work. And please, if you're new on this channel and you have not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button. It's free, okay? Now, so the first thing you want to do is make sure the hair is neat and clean. I've already washed and dried the dreadlocks here. I'm going to section them to make the twisting process easier. I'm using a tail comb to part the hair in clean sections. If the locks are thick, you can reduce the size to make the twist neat. No rushing here. Neatness is key. I'm using 3 strands. If you're working with shorter locks or locks that aren't as thick, it's important to check that your sections are balanced. This will help ensure the finished style looks uniform. I also recommend lightly oiling the scalp with a nourishing oil. At this point, it will keep your scalp moisturized as you work. Next, you grab your kinky extension. I love using this type because it makes natural hair texture well, especially for dreadlocks. I'm using color black with wine at the tip, but you can use whatever color that fits your style. Now, gently pull apart the extensions to fluff it out. We want it to look natural, not too stiff. It's important to stretch it out like this so the twist will look smooth when you're done. As you fluff out the extension, take note of any tangles and smooth them out with your fingers. This step helps prevent knots as you twist. If you want a slightly bolder look, consider using a mix of 2 complementary colors of extension for any ombre effect. Now, time to attach the extension. I take the section dreadlock and place the kinky extension in the middle. Fold it over and start twisting. As you twist, make sure you're twisting firmly but not too tight. We want to secure, but we don't want to put too much tension on the hair. See how I'm wrapping the kinky hair around the lock. You need to make sure it's covering the lock evenly so it doesn't look bulky. A quick note, if you're finding it tricky to keep the extensions in place, you can secure the top with a small clip as you twist. But normally, I just do a box braid at the bottom. This helps keep your section neat while you walk and prevent slipping. Also remember to keep the hair taut for a sleek look, but not so tight that it feels uncomfortable. Here's a little trick. Always twist in the same direction, whether you're doing a 2-strand twist or wrapping it around the lock. Stay consistent with your twisting direction. This keeps the hair looking neat and prevents it from unraveling later. Take your time, twist and smooth down the hair as you go. See as it's blending nicely with the locks. That's exactly what we want. For an extra polished finish, use your fingers to gently press the twist every couple of inches as you go. This helps flatten any flyaways and keeps the twist looking smooth. And if you're adding more length to longer locks, make sure the extension overlaps just enough to stay secure but doesn't create a bulky joint. Once you get to the end of the lock, you don't want the extension to unravel. So I like to use a little edge control. You can just do it with your bare hands. And then I just palm roll it. That way it stays firm and doesn't unravel. If the end is too long, you can also trim it with scissors. But make sure it still looks natural. If you're worried about the ends being too frizzy or not staying put, you can also dip the tips in warm water, or if you maybe want coils on it, you can dip it in hot water. And please be careful. This can help seal the twist for even longer lasting wear. Now that you know the process, just keep repeating the same steps for each section. Part hair, fluff the kinky extension, attach, twist, and secure the ends. Simple, right? It might take a bit of time, but trust me, the result is worth it. By the time you finish, your locks will be looking full and fresh. just like this. You can use this method on locks of any length, so don't be afraid to try it out. Once you've completed all your twists, take a moment to go through and palm roll each lock gently one more time. This gives a final polished look and makes sure all the twists are secure. A light mist of hair oil spray can be added, that's oil sheen, for hydration. And there you have it. Look at how beautiful and natural the locks are looking. Full, long, and very neat. You can rock this style for weeks and still look amazing. Don't forget to like this video, share with friends, and subscribe for more hair tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, my people. See you in the next video.